Let's talk about something that's a real headache for so many businesses, that daily manual grind.
Sound familiar? Is your organization just drowning in paperwork, delays, and, well, no visibility?
I mean, think about it. Visitor logs, deliveries, service requests, even security. All on paper.
And what does that lead to? Wasted time, higher costs, tons of errors, and very little control. So you end up making big decisions late, or worse, without any real data to go on.
But what if there was a better way? Enter SFDP, the security-first digital platform.
Basically, SFDP takes all those manual chores and puts them into one simple digital platform.
Okay, so how does it actually work? Well, the beauty of it is just how simple it is.
It's a simple three-step process. First, capture everything digitally. Then, simplify access. And finally, visualize it all.
The result? You get real-time visibility and control over everything, anytime, anywhere.
Okay, but what about the return on investment? Let's talk about the real-world value here.
For starters, you'll save a ton of admin hours every single week. Just think about that.
And all that efficiency, it translates directly into lower admin costs. You'll see it on the bottom line.
But it's about more than just money. You get better accountability and real actionable insights.
So it really boils down to this. You save time, you cut costs, and you gain control. It's all about helping your team finally get rid of that frustrating manual grind for good.
So the only question left is, are you ready to start making faster, smarter decisions?